mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. September 28, 2024. Karera sa araw ng Sabado. Umpisa ng karera alas 2 ng hapon. 7 races. Lahat ng 7 karera ay may distansyang 1,400 meter run. Race number 1. First choice number 6, Caraga Wonder. Second choice number 1, You Never Know. Race 2. Only choice number 2, King Hans. Race number 3. First choice number 6, Full Combat Order. Second choice number 3, Authentication. Race 4. First choice number 5, Raha Bago. Second choice number 2, Calle Loreto. Third choice, Kabayo ni Sir JC. Number 6, Rain Rain Go Away. Race 5. First choice number 3, This Girl Is On Fire. Second choice number 2, Queen Louis. Race 6. Only choice number 2, Prince Uno. Last race, race 7. Race na may Super 6. First choice natin, number 5, Polite Bell. Second choice, number 6, Advocacy. Third choice, number 7, Kalangaman Island. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!